ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا.
We are a medical team of Al Basar International Foundation, Saudi Arabia. Al Basar is based in Saudi Arabia with its head office and technical base in Pakistan. So this services started by Al Basar in 1990. Since then, the services are going on throughout the world, especially in Africa and Asia. So, particularly for Philippines, this is our fourth visit since 1995. The objective of this mission is to provide the eye care services at the doorstep of the needy patient. So this is one of the main objectives. And keeping this in view, we have been rendering services in Philippines, as I mentioned, since 94. In this particular visit, this is our second camp. We started from Marawi and Tamparan, Iligan, and from there we came here. So we had started the screening well before our arrival with the help of local doctors and hospital administration, and they had selected a good number of people that were operated yesterday. And the services are based in two bases. One is the surgery that what you have seen now going on here, and other in the Al Marsi Islamic Center, the screening is going on. So the services will continue. Actually, cataract is mainly age-related problem. Most of the people after the age of 60, they develop cataract. There is a natural lens in our eye which becomes opaque, and this transparency is finished. So the cataract blocks the passage of light in the eye. So the procedure is very simple. That natural lens is removed and an artificial lens is implanted. So that is age-related problem. In some cases, there are people who develop cataract after any major trauma, eye injury or anything that can cause the cataract also. The third, some people are born congenital cataract. Some children, they are born with this cataract. So, but mostly this cataract is an age-related problem, and it can be removed with simple surgery, and a patient can regain the sight. Actually, there are so many eye diseases. The most common prevalence of blindness is due to cataract. Cataract is an age-related problem, and with a simple surgery of 5 to 10 minutes, a person can regain his sight. So our objective is to screen out the cataract patients and provide them sight restoring surgery. To our experience, as I mentioned, we have been doing this service since 1990 and almost 26 years of service. Alhamdulillah, we have a good experience of, I can say for sure, 99.9% successful ratio, because our focus is on the quality, not only the quantity but the quality as well. And as it has been seen by many of the technical people of the concerned countries, like here we are working in a hospital, there is a big hospital, there are doctors, local ophthalmologists working with us, they can testify that. I started in this organization in 1992, so almost it has been 25 years. So 25 years, and I have traveled in more than 42 countries of world, in Africa and Asia. Really, it is too much exciting, because what you do, you get the reward here and after the life. Then this is the main focus also, because alhamdulillah, we have been blessed and chosen for this particular job. So we thank Allah for giving us this opportunity to serve the humanity. And our services are not confined to any particular caste, creed or religion. It is above all religions. Whoever is coming is considered as a patient. Everyone. Even we don't ask them who you are. Whoever is coming, just a patient. That's all. And no differentiation between the patient. Whoever is coming, he is treated equally. Yes, definitely. This service cannot be successful without the help of local people. The community-based organizations, they can play a major role. Since we are foreigners, okay, the people, those who are here, they have to identify some tickets in the targeted populations to help us reach out to those people. Because the biggest barrier that I have seen is how to access to the people and let the people know the type of services that we are providing. And once the message reaches there, the people come out for their taking benefit from the service.